I'm going to show you real quick how to tell when to replace your cartridges in your pool. Generally you want to buy them in sets of 4 to replace all 4 at the same time for the best results. Just get the model number off your filter to match the grid sizes. There should be a model number somewhere on your filter so you can get the cartridge sizes. If not, you can just pull one out and bring it into a store and they'll match it up. I'm going to go ahead and take the bolt off the filter to get the old ones out. I'm going to turn on the system to blow the lid off the filter. Now I cleaned this particular filter 3 times in 1 month. I'm just hoping that it would just get back in shape, and it didn't. So I'm going to have to replace the cartridges because they're just totally shot. They're really not that dirty, but they're just not filtering the dirt anymore. This pool had turned green a couple times and it hasn't been maintained properly. If you clean your cartridge filter at least twice a year, you can probably get a good 8 years out of them. This one's about 5 years old. You want to install them with the writing on top. You want to make sure they match up, and these are the exact same size cartridges. This is going to really help this pool a lot with the circulation problem it was having. I'm going to spray it really good with the silicone. And this should fit really snug right when I put it on. As you can see, it's really snug on there. And the O-ring's good, and the silicone did its trick. Okay, with the new cartridges, this filter is running about 20. And when I had the old ones, they were shooting up to about 30 here. They're definitely going to improve it. The circulation is really great. You can see that the spa jets are just really cranking. So this is really going to help this pool. And the number on the box won't necessarily match the manufacturer number. So that's why it's important, if you don't know exactly what size or what model number, just to bring your old cartridge in, measure it and get it the right